Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a nutritious topic to dive into. 12 vegetables that are not only delicious, but also pack a punch when it comes to protein. But before we start the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Now let's dive right in. Number 1. Chickpeas. Let's begin our exploration with chickpeas. Those versatile legumes that don't just add flavor to your dishes, but also contribute a substantial amount of protein, approximately 15 grams per cup. Beyond their protein content, chickpeas are rich in dietary fiber, offering about 12.5 grams in the same serving. This combination of protein and fiber not only supports muscle health, but also aids in digestion and helps maintain a feeling of fullness. Chickpeas also bring a variety of essential vitamins and minerals to the table, including folate, iron, phosphorus, and manganese. Number 2. Peas. Those little green gems that not only add vibrant color to your plate, but also contribute a significant amount of protein. With around 8 grams of protein per cup, peas prove that good things come in small packages. Beyond their protein content, peas contribute to your daily fiber intake. This fiber not only supports digestive health, but also plays a role in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Additionally, peas are a fantastic source of essential vitamins, particularly vitamin A and vitamin C, adding a nutritious punch to your meals. Number 3. Edamame. Those vibrant green soybeans that are not just a delightful appetizer, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Edamame stands out with an impressive protein content of approximately 17 grams per cup, making it a substantial plant-based protein source. What makes edamame particularly unique is its status as a complete protein, providing all essential amino acids required by the body. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Number 4. Asparagus. Asparagus, known for its delicate and slightly nutty flavor, is not just a gourmet delight, but also a surprising source of protein. With around 3 grams per cup, asparagus contributes more than just taste to your meals. Low in calories but rich in vitamins A, C, and K, asparagus brings a spectrum of nutritional benefits. Vitamin K is particularly important for bone health, while vitamin A supports immune function and vision. Incorporating asparagus into your diet, whether grilled, roasted, or added to savory dishes, not only enhances flavor, but also contributes to your overall well-being. Number 5. Spinach. Moving on to spinach, the leafy green superstar that Popeye knew was more than just a cartoon fantasy. Spinach boasts an impressive protein content of approximately 6 grams per cooked cup. But spinach's nutritional profile extends far beyond protein. This leafy green is a rich source of iron, a crucial component for oxygen transport in the body. Additionally, spinach provides a generous amount of vitamins A and K, contributing to immune function and bone health. Whether consumed raw in salads or incorporated into various cooked dishes, spinach is a versatile and nutrient-packed addition to any meal. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli, the cruciferous vegetable that not only adds a delightful crunch to your plate, but also contributes around 3 grams of protein per cup. While broccoli's vibrant green color and unique texture are undoubtedly appealing, its nutritional value goes beyond aesthetics. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports immune function and collagen production. It also provides vitamin K, essential for blood clotting and bone health. Number 7. Artichokes. Artichokes, often praised for their unique taste and delightful heart, also stand out as a vegetable with a notable protein content. With around 5 grams of protein per medium-sized artichoke, they contribute more than just a gourmet touch to your dishes. Beyond protein, artichokes are rich in dietary fiber, supporting digestive health and providing a sense of fullness. Whether enjoyed in dips, added to salads, or savored as a standalone side dish, artichokes bring both flavor and nutritional depth to your culinary experience. Number 8. Brussels sprouts. Now let's turn our attention to Brussels sprouts, those mini cabbages that often spark childhood debates but are making a comeback in the world of nutrition. Offering approximately 4 grams of protein per cup, Brussels sprouts prove that good things come in small packages. Beyond protein, Brussels sprouts are rich in vitamin C and K. Vitamin C serves as an antioxidant, protecting cells from damage, while vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Number 9. Kale. Kale, often hailed as the king of leafy greens, is not just a trendy superfood, it's a nutritional powerhouse. With around 3 grams of protein per cup, kale offers more than just a burst of green on your plate. Beyond protein, kale is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamin A supports immune function and vision. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, and vitamin K contributes to bone health. Additionally, kale provides a range of phytonutrients with potential health benefits. Number 10. Potatoes. Surprisingly, potatoes, often considered a staple in many diets, also contribute to your protein intake. A medium-sized potato with the skin on offers around 4 grams of protein. Beyond protein, potatoes provide an array of essential nutrients. Potatoes are a good source of potassium, a mineral crucial for heart health and blood pressure regulation. They also offer vitamin C, supporting immune function, and dietary fiber, promoting digestive health. Whether baked, mashed, or roasted, potatoes can be a satisfying and nutritious addition to your meals, adding both flavor and substance. Number 11. Mushrooms. Next on our list are mushrooms, not just for their unique texture and umami flavor, but also for their protein content. Depending on the type, mushrooms can offer around 2 to 3 grams of protein per cup. Beyond protein, mushrooms are a good source of various micronutrients, including B vitamins, selenium, and copper. These nutrients play roles in energy metabolism, immune function, and antioxidant defense. Adding mushrooms to stir-fries, omelets, or enjoying them as a meaty, vegetarian option enhances both flavor and nutritional value in your dishes. Number 12. Lentils. Finally, we arrive at lentils, the unsung heroes of the legume world. Lentils stand out with a remarkable 18 grams of protein per cooked cup, making them a plant-based protein powerhouse. But the benefits of lentils extend beyond their impressive protein content. Lentils are rich in dietary fiber, supporting digestive health and contributing to a feeling of fullness. They also provide essential nutrients, including iron, folate, and manganese. So, there you have it, 12 vegetables that are not only delicious, but also high in protein. By incorporating these into your diet, you're not just satisfying your taste buds, but also giving your body the protein it needs for optimal health. Thank you all for tuning in today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, stay healthy and happy eating.